they're coming from everywhere to see where he came from. So this restaurant has to be in place, and I need to have some good food. It's just down home cooking with a twist. And that twist is because I study a lot of different foods, I study a lot of different cultures, and then I've been places. Because I'm here to serve. I got baked chicken and ribs. My sentiment for life is you deserve the best. So whatever gift I have, it happens to be cooking and speaking,
Amen.
or whatever it is I use, it has to be my best. I just can't give you anything.
That's great.
If you like something specific, call me and ask me to prepare it, and I'll do that. Yeah, you can get it personalized at Bonita's if you want to. And it doesn't inconvenience me. It's what I want to do. One day, Chip called and said, Bonita, you got catfish? It wasn't a Friday. I said, yes, I have. Dad wants catfish. I said, okay, I'll hook him up. And then another time, Miss Mary, that's Miss Mary over there in that photograph. She's been with them forever.
She's one of his.
She's your maid.
Okay.
She used to do Miss Rosalind's hair every
Okay.
day, yeah. And so she said, Bonita, you do hamburgers? I said, of course I do. You're homemade. She said, what? President Carter wants a hamburger. And I said, okay. I think she wanted everything on it. I'm not sure. But anyways, it was a hamburger. And so she called me back to give me that feedback. You know what that feedback was? He ate it all! Man, that looks good. He could have went anywhere.
Exactly.
But he came back home. What an inspiration. This is not even my home and I'm inspired. People come in here and say this to me. Yeah, he was America's president, but he was the world's president. I'm honored to be in Plains, Georgia with a business, okay, that serves good food, and President Carter and Mrs. Carter and Chip and Amy and the grandchildren, all of them come in here and I love it. You want a bag?
No, man, we ain't got that.
Thank you.
And it's very delicious.